What instruments are in Irish music sessions? Have you ever found yourself in a cozy pub in Ireland, surrounded by the lively sounds of traditional music? If so, you might be curious about the instruments that create this enchanting atmosphere. Let's take a closer look at what you can expect to hear in Irish music sessions. Irish music sessions are vibrant gatherings where musicians come together to play traditional tunes. These sessions often take place in pubs or community spaces, providing a genuine experience of Irish culture. The instruments you will encounter can be grouped into three main categories: melody, rhythm, and harmony. Starting with melody instruments, the fiddle is a standout. It produces a bright and agile sound, often leading many tunes. The tin whistle and flute are also common, offering piercing and lyrical melodies that capture the spirit of the music. Another unique instrument is the Uilleann pipes, which are Ireland's native bagpipes. They add a haunting, drone-like quality to the sessions. Additionally, concertinas and bodhrán accordions contribute punchy and rhythmic melodies, especially in dance tunes like reels and jigs. Next, let's talk about rhythm and percussion. The bodhrán is a handheld frame drum covered in goatskin. It drives the pulse of the music with its taps and rolls. Musicians sometimes use bones or wooden spoons to create sharp, clacking rhythms. Tambourines may also join in to add to the lively beat. Now onto harmony and accompaniment. Guitars and bouzoukis, which are long-necked lutes, strum chords to support the melodies. Mandolins or banjos might also join in for extra texture. While the Celtic harp is less common in casual sessions, it occasionally appears, bringing delicate and resonant tones. For travelers, attending an Irish music session is a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the culture. These sessions are informal and welcoming to listeners. Musicians often sit in a circle, and if you know the tunes, you might even join in. Instruments like the tin whistle or bodhrán are portable and popular for travelers to learn quickly. If you are visiting towns like Uilleann, Ennis, or Galway, you will find many pubs hosting these sessions. Arriving early is a good idea to secure a seat and soak in the atmosphere. You might hear terms like reels and jigs, which refer to fast, dance-oriented tune types. When participating in a session, it is best to listen first, avoid playing loudly, and follow the group's tempo. The term trad session is short for traditional, emphasizing shared tunes over rehearsed performances. The instruments in Irish music sessions create a lively and communal spirit. Attending a session is not just about the music. It is about feeling the connection between the musicians and the rich history they share. So, the next time you find yourself in Ireland, don't miss the chance to experience the magic of these sessions firsthand.